The wise parrot and the greedy crow. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there lived a smart parrot named Chinnari and a greedy crow named Chidu. Chinnari was kind and clever, while Chidu always wanted more and more. One day, there was no rain, and food became very hard to find. Chinnari had saved some grains in her nest because she was smart. But Chidu didn't save anything, and now he was very hungry. Chidu flew to Chinnari's nest and said, "Dear friend, I am so hungry. Can you please share some of your food with me?" Chinnari felt sorry for Chidu and gave him some grains. But Chidu was greedy and wanted all the grains. The next day he pretended to be even hungrier and said, "Chinnari,